Toyota just made the most radical decision in RAV4 history, completely transforming America's best-selling SUV with 6 changes that will shock even loyal Toyota owners. If you've been considering a RAV4 purchase or wondering whether to wait for the new generation, these transformations will fundamentally change how you think about compact SUVs forever. While other automakers make minor tweaks and call them redesigns, Toyota has completely rewritten the RAV4 playbook, with changes so dramatic they'll make the current generation look outdated overnight. Number 6. All-new look. The 2026 RAV4 continues riding on Toyota's proven TNGA-K platform, but designers weren't satisfied with evolutionary changes. The sleek, car-like appearance that defined previous generations is being completely abandoned in favor of a bold, muscular SUV stance that takes direct inspiration from Toyota's truck lineup. But here's where Toyota gets brilliant. They've created 3 completely different design personalities within the same model line. The core variants maintain a clean, sophisticated appearance with paint-matched grills. But if you're the type who spends weekends on hiking trails, the woodland trim transforms the RAV4 into a rugged outdoor machine with black cladding, all-terrain tires, and Rigid Industries LED fog lights that announce your adventurous spirit from blocks away. Meanwhile, drivers who want their daily commute to feel more exciting can choose the sport variants, which get aggressive styling cues including oversized air intakes, contrasting black roofs, and unique 20-inch wheels that make other compact SUVs look timid by comparison. Therefore, you're not just choosing trim levels, but selecting entirely different vehicles that match your lifestyle perfectly. The exterior transformation is dramatic, but it's completely meaningless if the powertrain underneath can't deliver on those bold visual promises, which brings us to Toyota's most controversial decision for 2026. Number 5. No more gas-powered RAV4. You're tired of watching gas prices climb higher every month while your fuel budget gets squeezed tighter and tighter. That's exactly why Toyota's decision to make every 2026 RAV4 a hybrid represents the most customer-focused decision they could make. Toyota is eliminating traditional gasoline-only engines completely from the RAV4 lineup. Every single RAV4 rolling off the production line will feature some form of electrification, marking a seismic shift that puts your wallet first. This wasn't an arbitrary decision, but market data forced Toyota's hand when they realized hybrid RAV4 sales have been exploding over the past 3 years. The new powertrain lineup centers around 2 distinct hybrid systems that solve different problems. If you're primarily concerned about cutting your fuel costs without changing your routine, the standard hybrid combines Toyota's proven 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with electric motors to deliver 226 horsepower in front-wheel drive models or 236 horsepower with all-wheel drive. But these aren't just minor power increases. Therefore, Toyota has completely redesigned the hybrid system's architecture to eliminate the sluggish response that plagued earlier hybrids. But if you're ready to transform your relationship with gasoline entirely, the plug-in hybrid delivers up to 320 horsepower while providing 50 miles of electric-only range. This means your daily commute, school runs, and grocery trips can be completed on pure electric power, transforming your monthly fuel budget from a major expense into an occasional inconvenience. These powertrain improvements are revolutionary, but they're worthless if you have to suffer through outdated cabin design every time you get behind the wheel, which is why Toyota's interior transformation might be even more important. Number 4. Finally, modern-looking interior. Toyota's designers knew the current RAV4's interior was holding the entire model back. Therefore, they've created an entirely new cabin that finally matches what you expect from America's best-selling SUV. The transformation begins with Toyota's decision to adopt more SUV-focused design language that makes you feel like you're driving something substantial rather than a tall car. But the real improvements address daily frustrations that RAV4 owners have complained about for years. The center console represents the biggest functional victory, as Toyota has completely reorganized the layout to put everything within easy reach. The new longitudinal arrangement places cup holders alongside a relocated shifter that creates a more driver-focused layout. Storage solutions have been dramatically enhanced to solve the universal problem of never having enough space for your daily essentials. The dashboard now includes a built-in tray, perfect for passengers' phones or sunglasses, while the center console features a dual-hinged compartment that opens from both sides. Most impressive is the console's hidden capability. Pressing latches on both sides allows the lid to flip over and lock in place, creating a flat work surface that's perfect when you need to eat lunch in your car or work on your laptop. The cabin improvements are impressive, but modern buyers expect their vehicles to be digital command centers, which is where Toyota's technology revolution becomes absolutely crucial. Number 3. Tech features. Every model features a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster that replaces the current generation's tiny 7-inch display. But size isn't the only improvement. Toyota has completely redesigned the interface to provide navigation graphics directly in your line of sight. Therefore, you can follow directions without taking your eyes off the road during challenging drives through unfamiliar areas. The infotainment system receives an even more dramatic overhaul that solves the responsiveness problem that plagued previous generations. Base models now include a 10.5-inch touchscreen, while premium trims step up to a sprawling 12.9-inch display. Toyota has developed completely new software that responds as quickly as your smartphone. Therefore, you can adjust settings, find destinations, or change music without the lag that made older systems frustrating to use. The most revolutionary change is Toyota's introduction of the Arene software platform, which transforms your RAV4 into a device that gets better over time rather than becoming outdated. The system enables over-the-air updates that can improve performance and add features long after you drive off the lot. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are now standard, eliminating the daily annoyance of plugging in cables, while refined voice control means you can accomplish tasks without fumbling through touchscreen menus while driving. All this technology is fantastic for daily convenience, but if you're someone who actually wants to enjoy driving rather than just endure it, Toyota's performance breakthrough changes everything. Number 2. GR Sport Trim. The GR Sport isn't just a cosmetic exercise with sporty badges and red stitching. Toyota Gazoo Racing has extensively modified the suspension tuning, steering calibration, and braking systems to create a genuinely different driving experience that proves you don't have to sacrifice excitement for practicality. Performance hardware addresses the fundamental problem of boring SUV dynamics. Larger brakes, stickier tires, and completely retuned suspension sharpen handling without punishing your passengers with a harsh ride. But the most impressive aspect is the GR Sport's exclusive access to the most powerful plug-in hybrid system, delivering 320 horsepower through an all-wheel drive system that's been optimized to actually use all that power effectively. Visual differentiation means everyone will know you chose the performance version. Unique 20-inch wheels wrapped in summer performance tires handle better while looking more aggressive, while extensive body cladding and an oversized rear spoiler announce your sporting intentions. Inside, suited sport seats with moderate bolstering and red contrast stitching create a driver-focused environment that reminds you this isn't just another family hauler. Performance is thrilling, but it's meaningless if you can't trust your vehicle to protect what matters most, which is why Toyota's safety breakthrough represents the most important advancement of all. Number 1. Next Generation Safety Sense. Nothing matters more than getting your family home safely every single day, but most safety technology feels like it's fighting against you rather than helping you drive better. You've probably experienced annoying false alarms, jerky automatic braking, or systems that seem to panic at the wrong moments while missing actual dangers. That's why Toyota Safety Sense 4.0's debut in the RAV4 represents such a crucial advancement in making safety systems actually useful. The new system builds upon upgraded hardware that eliminates the detection problems that made earlier systems unreliable. The forward-facing camera features higher resolution and wider viewing angles, while the improved radar sensor offers a longer and wider field of view. These enhancements enable the system to detect and respond to potential hazards that previous generations would have missed entirely. But hardware improvements only solve part of the problem. Therefore, Toyota has completely rewritten the software algorithms that decide when and how to intervene. The pre-collision system now provides better detection of vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, while eliminating most false alarms that made drivers want to turn the system off. Lane recognition technology detects lanes and road edges more precisely, so you won't get warnings when you're driving normally in construction zones or on faded road markings. Adaptive cruise control has been completely redesigned to provide smoother acceleration and braking that feels more natural and less robotic. Integration with the Arene software platform means these safety systems can continue evolving through over-the-air updates. Therefore, your RAV4 will become safer over time. The 2026 Toyota RAV4 isn't just getting updated, it's being completely revolutionized from the ground up. Toyota has transformed their best-selling SUV with 3 distinct design personalities, eliminated gasoline-only engines entirely in favor of hybrid systems, modernized the interior with reorganized storage solutions, and a dual-hinged center console. Moreover, the company introduced advanced technology with 12.3-inch digital displays and the revolutionary Arene software platform, as well as the all-new Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 that uses upgraded sensors and AI-informed algorithms to provide proactive assistance. These transformations don't just improve the RAV4, they redefine what a compact SUV should be in 2026 and beyond. But as impressive as these changes are, the key rival, the 2026 Honda CR-V, is also getting important updates, so make sure to check out our review that explains the reasons to wait for Honda's bestseller. If you're in the market for a compact SUV, it mostly comes down to these two, so checking out both models is the only way to make the right decision. The RAV4 may be getting a full redesign, but has it improved enough to be considered a better vehicle than the CR-V?